Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create gradients in Wix Studio. It is very useful for building your website or a personal project. So gradient can make your design look more modern, smooth and eye-catching. And don't worry if you don't know what is gradient. So gradient is basically when one color gradually blends into another instead of just flat color. You can get soft transition between two or more colors. There are three main types of gradients you will see in Wix, which is first is linear gradient, radial gradients and angular gradients. I will explain everything. Now if you don't know how it looks like, just for if someone don't know, gradient, just simply search it. And okay, I have by mistakenly I have chosen wrong. So this is a type of gradient. As you can see here, there are 3 to 4 colors blend with each other. You can create like this, like this, like this. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply log in into Wix Studio. So if you don't know what is Wix Studio, so it is basically like Wix Editor. And if you're really beginner, then I assume that you don't know the difference between Wix Editor and Wix Studio. So Wix Editor is for basic things, and Wix Studio is for it has lot of features. Now what you have to do is just simply log in Wix Studio, and after that select your website from here. As you can see here, I have lot of templates, so I will just simply click on side where I want to edit or add gradient. From here I can see these are my all sites. I will just simply click on it and it will create. Now as you can see, I have already opened in a website. Now this is my website. Now as you can see here, and now let's add a simple a section over here to add gradient. Now what you have to do is just simply take an element, and from element just simply for the example choose container, drag it into your space. I think, let me see why it is not appear. Okay, here we go. We have our container. Just reposition it into the center and then click on it. From the right side you can see there is an option of container. Now from here you can choose the background color of container. Just simply click on it if you want to choose the color. Now in the color picker you will get to see there is an option of gradient. Here we go. So this is a linear gradient, as you can see here, and fluid gradient is available as well. So in the gradient you will get three types of gradient. First is linear, second is radial, and third is conic. So it's like angular gradient. Now let's start with linear. So in the linear you can get two colors where you can blend them with each other. For example, I have two colors at each side. As you can see, there is a orange and there is a white. So not exactly white, but you can see there is a color. Let's add black. So as you can see here, we have successfully given a gradient to a container. Now if you want to move, for example, if you want to like stretch this color, what you can do is just simply click on it, and let's see how we can do this. Okay, so as you can see here, linear gradient has been added. This blend color in straight line, either left or right or top or bottom or diagonally. As you can see here, we can change the position as well of these color. Now if you want to make black more thin, if you want to make orange more, you can do that. Now if you want to add one more color into your gradient, you can add by just clicking on the random stuff over here. In the random line, just simply click over here, it will create another as I created earlier. Just simply click on it We will change the color from here. Let's say we will choose this one. So we have added 3 color basically, as you can see here. So it looks good. Now if you want to manage these colors blend, you can play with this dots, and you can copy CSS snippet as well. Now in the more color gradient, you will see there are some templates as well, like this. You can use it. Now let's do more things. Let's add this purple, how it looks like. So that it's not that great, but it's fine. So you can play with this gradient, and yeah, this is how you can create gradient into linear. Let's move back to radial. So radial gradient is basically this start from the center. As you can see here, there is a uh, color into center which is red, and the point in circular motion like a color wheel. It points like a central point. It has a central point. Now if you change the color of this central point to different color, it will change, as you can see here. Now if you want to go something like this, I have mistakenly added one more uh, thing. Now if you can see, I have 3 colors. Now what I will do, I will just remove one. Now I can play with this color. I can change the color of each uh, position. Now let's do black and white. Depends. Remove this color to black. So this is how you can change the color. So this is a radial gradient. If you go into conic gradient, so conic gradient is a spin color around a central point in a circular motion like color wheel. As you can see here, if you do this, you can get the idea what I'm talking about. It's rotate. As you can see here, we have created this kind of gradient. So this is a angular gradient. You can come over here and play with it. Now I'm not good at selecting the right gradient, so but I know how you can add this gradient option into all the elements. For example, if you want to add, let's try to add a gradient into button. Let's try if we can add this gradient into button. Let's see. Okay, this is what. Okay, now click on the color, go into gradient. Okay, this it has selected for the whole color. If you can see, this is the button. Okay, we by mistakenly we have created we have given the wrong section, so we have added a button. Now if you want to give a gradient, let's see, we can give a gradient to button. I think we cannot add a gradient into button, but let's say you go into content. Okay, we cannot add gradient into the buttons, but whenever you hover on this button, it will change the color. So it's basically you can add color or gradient into the sections or then the containers, or there are lots of elements in this Wix Studio. Let's try to add gradient into. Okay, we have already added. Let's try to add into text. We can add. Okay, we cannot add the color itself in. Okay, let's see. No, we cannot add the gradient into the text. Yeah, but you can add the gradient into containers. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can add gradient into containers. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.